Hi, this is Vizio Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to split screen on MacBook. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go. By default, apps that you open on your Mac don't open in full screen. They take around 40 to 60% of the screen real estate. This means that no app is using your screen full potential, and at the same time, it's difficult to arrange two app windows side by side without downsizing them. If you open one app in full screen manually, you'll have to swipe in and swipe up of it all the time. Since nearly every workflow today requires more than one app complete. To remain productivity and use all the screen real estate available, you can open two or more apps right next to each other in a split screen view. So how to do it is so simple. For example, maybe you can open one app on your MacBook. Now you can just point your pointer into this, the blue icon in here, until you find there is an option enter full screen, tile window to left of screen, or tile window to right of screen. For example, I will choose on tile window to right of screen. So it will turns out like this. You can choose another app that you want to open beside this app. I will choose this one for example. So now you have open split screen on your MacBook. It's so cool, right? And you can adjust the size in here. And if you want to open another app, you can just choose like this. Choose the app like this. But not all apps that available to open in a split screen. So simple, right? So that is how to split screen on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.